everybody, welcome back to Maria Rich Math channel. In this channel, we'll be doing fractions.
Yes, fractions. What does it mean, fraction, Maria?
Fraction is a real number that represents a part of a whole.
It's a mixed, it is a number expressed as a quotient in which a numerator is divided by denominator, yes? So it is a real number that represents a part of a whole. For example, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 7, 10 out of 30, or 40 over 3, and so on. Yes, these are the fractions, or generally we can write here part, this is part over whole. Okay, give me an example, Maria. Part over whole. So we have a part of a whole. The whole here, for example, 7, and here's 30, and this is 3, and 40 out of 3. Okay. Let us give an example. Suppose we have a cake, and this cake, we divided it into 3 equal pieces, as you see, okay, 3 equal pieces. We ate 2 pieces, means we ate 2/3 of this cake. What is the remainder?
1 out of 3.
1 out of 3, or 1 piece, which is 1 out of 3. What is the total cake? Is 1/3 plus 2/3 will be 3 over 3, or 1. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the means, this is whole. This is the whole, for example, this is the whole. And we ate 2 pieces, these 2 pieces, 2/3, and the remaining or the remainder is 1/3, not 1/2. This is 1/3. Okay. A fraction is of the form. It has a form A over B. We have integers A and B, or sometimes if they are integers A and B, we call this the fraction A over B is simple fraction. If they are not integer, might be fractions as well, A fraction and B fraction, then we call A over B. This is a complex fraction. Okay. So here, as you see, we have a whole cake. We ate 2/3, so we ate 2 over 3, and the whole was 3 pieces. The whole was 3 pieces, and we ate 2 pieces. So we ate 2/3. Okay, this is a fraction. The remainder is 1 piece out of 3, so the remainder is 1/3. What is the total? What is the whole piece? What is the whole cake? It was 2/3 plus 1/3. It is 3 over 3, which is 1. So the whole cake, it is what we have eaten, 2/3, and what is the remainder as well, plus the remainder, which is 1/3. The total is 1. Okay. And here, what are the types of fractions, Maria?
Proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed numbers.
Mixed fractions or mixed number, yeah? Here, mixed fractions, we say mixed numbers. So proper fraction, what does it mean, proper fraction? When we have 2 over 3, 10 over 30, we have here, as you see, 9 over 17. As you see, the numerator is less than
The
denominator.
denominator.
How about improper fraction?
Improper fraction. Basically, the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Or
Equal to.
Yes, 20 over 4, like that. So in an improper fraction, when we have the denominator is greater than or equal, the numerator is greater than or equal denominator. Yeah. How about mixed fractions?
Mixed fractions. In front of the fraction, there is a whole number.
A whole number. Suppose 2 and 1/3, 4 and 2/5, 10 and 1/3, and so on. Okay. This is mixed fraction, or we say mixed number, mixed number. Okay. Here we have given some examples. Yes, Maria? Fraction 3/4, is it proper or improper or mixed number?
It's, which one?
3/4.
It is proper
Why it's proper?
because 3 is less than 4.
So the numerator is less than denominator. Okay, in this case, the fraction is called proper fraction. 7/5.
7/5 is improper because 7 is greater than 5.
And the numerator is greater than denominator. In this case, we call it the improper fraction. Okay, how about 3.5?
3.1/2 is mixed numbers
Because it has a whole number and has a fraction. Okay, how about 9/7?
9/7 is improper because 9 is greater than 7.
Okay, how about if we take, for example, 30/30? How about 30/30? It is
improper
it's improper also because the numerator is equal to the denominator. Okay, so finally, fraction is of the form A/B. Okay, where should be not equal 0, of course, and A part and B is the whole. And we can recognize the 3 types of fraction. When A is less than B, or when numerator is less than denominator, in this case, we call the fraction proper fraction, like 6/7, 4/9, 5/10, 11/30, and so on. When A is greater than or equal B, or when the numerator is greater than or equal denominator, then the fraction is called improper fraction. And we have given some examples: 7/6, 9/4, 20/20, 17/10, 30/20, okay? And when we have whole number here, we have whole number, we say this is whole number, and then fraction A/B, then we call this one is a mixed number. So this is, we have whole and the fraction, we call it mixed number or mixed fraction, like 2/3, 3/4, 5 and 2/3, and 7 and 9/10, okay, and so on. Okay. Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, please tell us and we'll solve your questions.
Okay, once again, repeat.
Maria Rich Math Channel fractions.
Yes, please.
Fraction. Fraction is a real number that represents a part of a whole. It is a number expressed as a
Quotient.
in which a numerator is divided by a denominator.
So we have part divided over whole. Okay, numerator is a part, denominator is a whole, like 2, 4, 3/7, 10, 30, and 40/3, and so on. Okay. And here we give an example when we divided the cake, whole cake, into 3 equal pieces, and we ate 2 pieces, means we ate 2/3, and the remainder is 1 piece or 1/3. And the whole cake now is 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3, which is 1. Okay. Fraction means is of the form A divided by B, and A numerator, B denominator should be not equal 0. And we, as we give in the example, we ate 2 pieces out of 3, 2 the part, and 3 is a whole. And as we say, the remainder is 1 piece, 1/1/3. The remainder, we can represent the remainder as 1/3. 2/3 plus 1/3 equal 3 out of 3, which is 1 whole. Okay. Yes, please.
Types of fractions. There are 3 types of fractions. Proper fractions. The proper fractions are the numerators are less than or less.
Yeah, the numerator less is less than denominator. In a proper fraction,
In
the
proper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator
or
or
equal.
equal to.
Yeah,
Mixed numbers, there is a whole number in front of the fraction.
exactly. Mixed fractions or mixed number. Yeah, here we give some examples about fraction, proper and mixed number. Yeah, finally, we summarize our the types of fractions in 3 cases, 1, 2, 3 types. The first type, when the numerator is less than denominator, we call it a proper fraction. When the numerator is greater than or equal denominator, then we call the fraction is improper fraction. When in front of the fraction there is a whole number, we call it mixed number. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. If you have any questions, please tell us and we'll answer your questions. Have a good day, evening, afternoon.
Yeah,
anytime.
thank you.
Bye. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.
Bye.